guys, today we finally did it. You can't see it. I hid it in the last $500 series, which I'm not done making that video yet. There we have it. Brand spanking new. Look at that doozy over there. We got Flip here. He's gonna show us how to use it. Last time I used one of these, I was in shop class, and I'm 28 now, so quite some time. I watched Flip do it a bunch of times, but I wasn't there to learn, I was there to just watch, so we're gonna see what's up with this thing. We got it all hooked up. Haven't even turned the table yet, so let's figure this thing out. Alright, you guys, so obviously some of you already know how to use this, but we're gonna have Flip Flip tech time here. Yep, he's gonna go ahead and show us what we got going on, so let's do it.
So we got a 3-pedal changer. The far left pedal is gonna work your clamps. You can either do an outside clamp or clamp off the lip. You push that down, it'll extend the arms. The middle one is gonna be your bead breaker over here. Push that down, drag it in, pop the bead. And your very last pedal is gonna be your tabletop. That'll spin. You got your arm here, pull down, get it on the lip of the wheel, lock it into place, do all your good stuff.
Little spoon action.
Yep, gotta have that.
Should probably get one with rubber on it. Maybe.
To each their own.
Little bitch over here, maybe the rubber. And then last but not least,
Yep.
got this cool little feature. Got the little...
Got the air compressor on there. Pedal over here. And we also got bead blasters down here. And they work.
So it like doubles as like, you know, the big cannon that you...
Sheeta.
Yeah. So it... Yeah, I mean, she's a nice unit. We were gonna use it, but we need like the little piece that takes the inside of a valve stem out. We need one of those. So my mom's running to O'Reilly's. Well, Flip, me, and my dad sit here.
Have the valve stem down. Now a lot of your wheels obviously don't have TPMS sensors.
Yeah.
And that's a big reason for it. So you're gonna want to keep that down. Put it right on the big feet.
Oh, that works nice.
Pop that.
My back says likes that so much.
Mine doesn't either.
That's nifty.
Alright. So obviously get that set there. Now this little screw, you want to screw out until it puts a little bit of tension on the arm, because you're going to be putting some torque on it this way. There you go, just a little bit. You don't want to spin it until the valve stem is just past this. Once again, if you have TPMS sensors, you don't want to blow it apart.
Yeah, you're gonna hit it.
Stick it down on the side. You're gonna want to push down. So you see this drop right here?
Mm-hmm.
Always keep the tire in the drop. You will always get a tire off, and you will always get a tire back on if you keep it in the drop.
Butter, that's butter. Jeez.
Bring the valve stem just past the arm again. Pull the tire up, slide this down, pull back, spin it off.
That's crisp. That's fucking got some kapow to her. And there you go. Now I have this just laying around.
You have a tire that needs to go on this?
Here you go. So we are going to try. We're not going to try because we're gonna do it. But this is broken. This is the rim that we're not going to talk about that. But we're going to blast this off now.
Valve stem.
So Yeah.
Make sure it's down.
Valve stem down.
Oh, ski. Is that fucking good enough?
That's good. Yeah. It just can't be towards the arm because it'll fold it over.
Did it do it good enough?
Spin the wheel, break it in another spot. Put the valve stem straight up if you want.
Yeah.
Yep.
It's not showing me a picture anymore.
That's fine. Catch me out here drinking my fucking Jack Daniels, jamming out to some Creed. Hold me down. Okay.
Let's go ahead and spin it so the valve stem's over there. Alright, so when it pops up like that, you just go around, push it down. Alright, go ahead and swing your arm over. Now every wheel is obviously different, so you'll have to adjust this accordingly. Push down hard. Lock it. Alright, so when you start pulling, you're going to notice it's going to be stuck up here. Just keep that and not drop. Go ahead, bend it over. Yep. Alright, so tighter tires like this, what you want to do, you're going to want to back it up first. So if you put your foot under here,
It goes the opposite way? Oh, wow.
alright, so it's on there a little better. Go ahead and hit it forward.
Take this out.
Nope.
Nope.
Leave it. Go forward.
Pop. Keep spinning until your valve stems back over here. You pull it up. Get it under there. Pick up. Yep. Alright, so here I'd also bump it.
Backwards.
Yeah. Alright.
Now forwards.
Yep. Now what I like to do is as soon as we get to that bottom lip, I like to keep pressure up so I can't slip off that end. Pull that back. Unlock her. Watch your finger. Oh, if you were going to unlock it. There you are.
Boom. And this rim is junk.
Handy dandy wall decoration.
Wow, that's way worse than I thought it was. So I've already explained this before, but I hucked a spot. I'm not going to give away too many. If you watch the video, you know, but I hucked and my car went sideways and there was a curb here and I backed the car into the curb. And this is what took everything. Through my toe adjustment and everything was all out of whack. We were beating on it with a fucking hammer and stuff. But I mean, it still works. I guess Ricky said my car looks like it dog walks a little bit now, but you guys see in the video it still hawks, so I mean it still does all that, right? But we're gonna go ahead and just do the same thing to this tire, and you guys know the deal, so I'll just get back to you guys when we're done with that. Because I've seen it.
Spray bottle.
So I lied to you guys. I don't know what made me, I just got excited and ahead of myself. We haven't even put a tire back on yet. We've only done 50%. Here comes the next 50. Spray bottle.
So I work in a tire shop, so I tend to look at things that others don't.
Direction, whatever.
Yep. So on the sidewall of the tire, you're going to have your, if it's a directional tire, you're going to have your arrows, or you'll have it'll say inside or outside, and you go off of that. But I am not seeing anything on here about inside or outside. So
This was what I had running on the inside.
all right.
Just because of the camber wear. Honestly,
Do you want it
Oh no, we're flipping that motherfucker. We got this thing now. We can do shit like that these days.
All right. So yeah, we're gonna go through.
I might even have to just flip the other tire just for fun.
Soak the bead down real good. So kind of the same thing, putting on, get the tire there, get your arm set to where it needs to be. And you want the first lip of the tire to be around this edge and under this side. So under here, on top of here, and you're gonna kind of spin it until the lip is in line with the valve stem. And you're gonna spin it on. It'll pop down. You want to get your valve stem back to, it'll probably be over here because the second side is going to be a little tighter. Oh, son of a bitch. So back to the tire bar. Remember I said keep it in the drop?
Yep.
So that applies heavily for putting tires back on. Working on.
Nice.
Now come over to your air compressor side.
And air it up. And don't be a scaredy chicken cat when it goes pong. Pong.
This side's gonna be loud
One more.
eventually.
So I guess I'm sorry I didn't record that. We were just trying to get the last bead to pop. Figured out something new. This stops at a 44 PSI limit. Won't let you put more than 44. Maybe if the tire was bigger, I don't know how it would sense that. I don't know.
No,
But yeah.
it just goes off PSI.
Yeah. So we had to just unplug the thing, grab an old school, and just finish filling it up that way. Took 60 PSI to pop the bead, in case you guys are wondering. But yeah. So that's super cool. We got a tire machine, and I'm super happy about that. All right, you guys. I don't know how long this video is or whatever, but no matter what, you guys needed to see that because that is a very important piece of machinery for me, my dad, just the Biggs Garage team in general, any of the boys, and you know, it's just a super nice piece to have. And it's just like my car, the camber wear, which I have no, or you rag on me. If you already said it to yourself, I ain't quacking this one. Fuck yourself. Because I don't have camber adjustment on the rear. So it just is what it is. Costs more money. Gotta get rid of this big pocket's gotta go. You get a tow arm adjuster, then this control arm changes into the yada yada. You could twister on there. All sorts of good things. So that'll come in the future. You know what I'm saying? We ain't made of money. Maybe when Sheba hits off. Sheba to the moon, baby, because then Biggs can do whatever he wants. But yeah, we flipped these, super nice. So now the war part is on the face, brush meat on the camber side. And yeah, just, that's awesome to be able to do that and have that ability. It's worth the money. But that's all I got for this video. Tire machine video, big shop upgrade, hell yeah. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned for more content, and as always, have a nice night.